Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time of seeing my video or my vlog on YouTube, please press the subscribe button to support me to grow my channel. And actually in today's video, this is what I want to show you. I'll be talking about green tea. Green tea works for me, especially when I just had my baby, and it helped me to lose some of my baby fat. And I normally use it in the morning and when I'm also going to bed at night. And green tea, we all know that it contain a lot of antioxidants, and if you're kind of
we have the tea bag. The green tea is percolating there, and then we have the ginger ready to add, just grated. I'm going to add that in.
I'll leave it for two minutes.
Yeah.
Leave it for 1 minute.
And as you said, a squeeze of lemon or a slice of lemon, whichever you prefer. In this case, put in a slice of lemon. Again, all of these are fresh, natural products. So fresh fruit and vegetables, many, as we said, are full of antioxidants. They're also full of other ingredients, vitamins, minerals, fibre, which is good for your bowel health and for your heart health. Just taking out the pips there, the seeds, and just slipping that in and just leaving it there for about 5 minutes before you drink it. But lead to all sorts of different illnesses, including cancers, including heart disease. But we know modern science has told us that antioxidants, which are available in these ingredients, and they're also available from lots of other fresh fruit and vegetables, but antioxidants protect us from the damaging effects of free radicals, and therefore have scientifically been shown to be protective against lots and lots and lots of illnesses, lots of maladies. And ginger, as you were saying, has had some studies have shown that it has proven benefits in regard to sickness, including morning sickness for pregnant women. Now obviously you need to consult your doctor if you're taking any products, even though these are natural products, but during pregnancy. But there's a growing body of evidence that ginger is beneficial for illnesses such as arthritis. There's some studies, but not a lot, have shown that it may be beneficial in lowering blood sugar, and we have a rising problem in the Western world of diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and that's a problem going forward because of the diet that we're eating, the poor diet that we're eating. So again, a very refreshing beverage in the morning, just boiled water, 100% green tea, a green tea bag in this case. Its only ingredient is the green tea leaves, a slice of lemon, and some grated fresh root ginger. Again, all fresh ingredients, all healthy. We haven't said anything about the vitamins and minerals in these products, but they have, obviously the lemon would have lots of vitamin C, and there are various other different minerals and vitamins.
And also all these natural ingredients keep you young. I was born 1976, as you can see, you are very young, and it keep you young and give you a taste of refreshment, and you detour yourself from there. And that's it. So that is all we have to say today.